don't let that cute, small frame fool you for a second. If you're looking at a Jack Russell Terrier, you are looking at an apex working dog compressed into a 12-pound body. Famous as the cinematic sidekick in movies like The Mask or television classics like Frasier, this breed is universally adored for its sharp wits and expressive face. But is living with a Jack Russell just about throwing a tennis ball in the backyard and laughing at their clever tricks? Or is the honest truth that this little white terrier possesses the relentless drive, infinite stamina, and fiery attitude of a 100-pound hunter? Today on the Doggo Zone, we are diving deep into the world of the Jack Russell Terrier. We'll explore their historical roots with hunting English clergymen, the staggering physics behind their vertical leap, and the daily reality of managing this dog. Let's unlock the explosive energy of the Jack Russell. Part 1. The Reverend Fox Hunter Historical Origins. The Jack Russell Terrier wasn't bred to sit on velvet pillows or look pretty in dog shows. They were engineered for dirt, adrenaline, and underground combat. The breed owes its existence to the Reverend Jack Russell, an avid English huntsman of the early 19th century. Reverend Russell needed a very specific type of dog to assist his foxhounds. He wanted a terrier small and agile enough to flush foxes out. The dog had to be hardy enough to keep pace with horses and large hounds across miles of rough English countryside. The white coat strategy. Reverend Russell deliberately bred these terriers to be primarily white. This wasn't for aesthetics, it was a critical safety measure. When a frantic fox burst out of its burrow, the white coat allowed the human hunters to instantly distinguish the dog from the red fox. Part 2. The anatomy of an underground athlete. Every single physical trait is designed for utility and high-intensity performance. The flexible chest. You should be able to span their chest with two average-sized human hands behind their front legs. This flexibility allows them to squeeze through tight, winding underground tunnels where other dogs would get hopelessly stuck. The coat variations. They come in 3 distinct coat types: smooth, rough, and broken. All 3 are highly weather-resistant. The staggering vertical leap. A healthy Jack Russell can leap up to 5 times their own height from a dead standstill. Part 3. Temperament, unlimited intensity. The honest truth is that they are fearless, independent, and fiercely intense. Extreme prey drive. To a Jack Russell, anything small and fast, cats, squirrels, or laser pointers is game to be chased. The earth shifters. If a Jack Russell gets bored, your garden will pay the price. They are natural, compulsive diggers. Vocal and alert. They will alert you to the mail carrier or a rogue leaf blowing across the porch with a sharp bark. Part 4. Training, conquering the boredom. Training a Jack Russell Terrier is a daily battle of wits. They are intensely intelligent, the what's in it for me attitude. They learn commands in minutes, but they only execute them for high-value rewards. Mental over physical. You must drain their energy mentally. Advanced trick training and puzzle toys are essential. Firm consistency. If you give a Jack Russell an inch, they will take a mile. Everyone in the household must enforce the same rules. Part 5. Health and longevity. Jack Russells are remarkably hardy, frequently reaching 13 to 16 years of age in peak health. However, they have vulnerabilities like patellar luxation, primary lens luxation, and potential deafness in white coats. Dental care and rawhide-free chew toys are also necessary to prevent rapid tartar buildup. Conclusion. Is the pocket rocket right for you? They are not low-maintenance lap dogs. But if you are an active leader who wants a loyal partner for a lifetime of adventure, the Jack Russell is unmatched. Just ensure your fences are high, your running shoes are laced, and your heart is ready for high-velocity adventure.